In the depths of the lush forest, a mysterious creature roams. With eyes like emeralds and fur as soft as moss, the forest cat is a true marvel of nature. Its agile movements and stealthy demeanor make it a master of the wilderness. But don't be fooled by its beauty, for this feline is a skilled hunter, navigating the dense undergrowth with ease. It's a glimpse into the untamed world where nature's secrets unfold. So next time you venture into the woods, keep your eyes peeled for the elusive forest cat, a true embodiment of grace and power.